Welcome back to the crypto nest. So optimism, just want to be aware that here I said maybe this is a 1 and a 2, and maybe this is the the beginning of the third wave in blue, but also maybe this is just 1 and a 2, and this is another 1 2, and this movement was the 3, the 4 of the 5th of the green count, and then now we're just doing a bigger wave 2 of this movement, but not the third wave of this whole movement. So if we dig in more in detail, so I think let me redo the Fibonacci extension just to be sure. So from the 1 to the 1 and the 2 here. So the third wave, we kind of reach this even a little bit higher, and then the 5th wave would have been ideally here at 310, and then we actually reach perfectly the little mini ideal area of, this is not just amazing how it can be accurate. So now so we said here we completed third wave. Let me do it a little bit bigger. So this third wave was finished here, and then we're expecting to do this fourth wave, which we reached, and then within this fourth, after the fourth wave, we have this 5th wave, and we actually completed this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5th wave is done. And then we're not that, the ideal extension for the wave 3 would have been, in blue, would have been 348 to 364. We didn't do that. We stopped at 320 something, 322. Still not that bad. And so maybe now we need to see if this was actually a wave 3 or this was just a 1 and it's going to retrace much lower now. So we need to just consider that option. So if I make a Fibonacci retracement and I say that this whole movement was the wave 1. Let me take out these things here so I can, good. Okay, so if this whole movement in green is the end of another wave count and it's only a 1, maybe I'm going to put it in red. And this is a 1. So what would be the ideal retracement? So it would be, okay, I already did it, kind of. So it's here. This would be the ideal pullback for the wave 2 in red. So I'm going to put the box in red and label in red. Okay, now the other option that we have is that this indeed was a 1 and a 2, this was a 3, and maybe we're doing the 4 in blue. So I'm going to take this impulsive movement up to the end of the third wave. I guess I'm having to already had it before. Seriously? Okay, so now the only thing is for the pullback. So we said it's the minimum requirements, the 0.2, so which is here, and the 0.5. There you go. And then now I'm going to put this box in blue. And this would be the ideal retracement for the wave 4, which I'm going to write down. So it's the wave 4 in blue, and we said wave 4. So this is going to be the pivotal point. If we're going to go lower than this ideal target for a retracement for wave 4, well, it means this is not a wave 3, but it's just bigger wave 1, and then so price should go lower. So at least we have an idea. So for a moment, we need to just see if, well, for sure we're going to make an ABC. I think already started. Let me go maybe in the 4 hours. Maybe it's not even enough. So you can see that a lot of time when you don't know price what is doing, but at least you have some pivotal points, and then that will help you to invalidate one certain point the wave counts. So there is only a few options left. But for a moment, it's still looking not that bad. And yeah, we still, maybe this is the beginning of the wave A. But it's too early to say. Okay, so this is all for today. Hopefully, you managed to took some profit on the way. Because even if price goes higher, it's always healthy to get some profit, and then you put your sell stop limit higher, so that if price reverse, then you're okay. And it's impossible to estimate what's going to be the top. No one can tell you. At 321 you need to sell because that's going to be the peak. That's impossible. So you just need to take a little bit of profit, still stay in. So if you reach higher prices, you are still in. But getting profits, it's a good habit, because and also higher your sell stop limit. So let's say I got in here, actually even lower, but I took some profit here, and then I got back more here, but I did put a sell stop limit a little bit lower, so that if price reverse, I secure my profit. And then so actually price went higher, and I took some profit here, and then I did get some actually 2 times when it was when it reached 12 around that area, and then my sell stop limit was like 198. And then actually we went higher, and then I took some profit, and now I did take some profit here. I still have some, but I believe that if price goes if price goes below I would say 260, then 255, I would say that price is going to go and reach lower areas. So, and as you can see, 255 is going to go in this blue box that I draw. And then after that, the lower it goes, the more I can scale in. Because if it goes just here, I'm not sure I will get some. Actually, my sell stop limit will trigger. And also, let's remember that between wave 4 and wave 5, a lot of time, wave 5, it doesn't skyrocket. Now maybe it's different here, I don't know, it's really hard to say. But after that we will able to do some micro counting within this 5th wave, and if I believe that it has potential, then we can scale in maybe in the 3rd wave of the 5th wave, because if we completed the 4th wave, then after that we're going to have a 1, a 2, and then a strong 3, and a 4, and a 5. So if I didn't got in here because price it didn't reach the lower level, well, and I see that is doing the first and the second impulsive movement, and then we can analyze how low the two can go. Well, for sure the low, if it goes below, then it's not, so we are not to get in. But if the wave 2 retrace kind of in an ideal target for a wave 2, then maybe I can scale in, because my risk is really low, and my potential gain is quite high. So that would be one strategy. But this is not a financial advice. Okay, so this is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And any question, drop them in the comments. Have a good Sunday. Bye.